Hello my dear students, my name is Rekha Sharma and I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to study about the water. You know what is this? This is water, pani. We cannot imagine our life without water. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking food and many more things. Even though you can say that without water life is not possible, so we have to save water. So today we are going to study our chapter number 5, that is water. Chapter number 5, water, page number 19. So everyone open page number 19, chapter 5, water. Let's start. All of us need to drink water. We need water for bathing, cooking, washing and cleaning. We also need water to grow crops. We cannot live without water. Let us see if we can learn a bit more about water. Move to the next paragraph. A few things about water. Look at a glass of water. What color is it? So बेटा आप इसकी तरफ देखो, ये वाटर है. आप बताओ इसका कैसा कलर है? It has no color. It is colorless. So water जो आपका होता है वो क्या होता है? Colorless होता है. Water does not have any color. It is colorless. Taste it. It is taste. Is it sweet, sour, bitter or salty? Water does not have any taste. It is tasteless. Nor does it have any smell. Put a few cubes of ice in a bowl. Wait for some time. All the ice will melt into water. Place the bowl of water in a freezer. Take out the ball after 2 or 3 hours. The water will freeze into ice again. This is your activity. These are the ice balls, ice cubes that you kept in the bowl. आपने इसको room temperature पे रखा, then it's melt and it converted into water. After that you can freeze it and these water is again converted into ice cubes. Water and ice are two forms of the same thing. Ice is the solid and water is liquid. Ice melts to form water and water freezes to form ice. Ice melts when you bring it out of the freezer because the room is warmer than the freezer. So, heat makes ice melt. Water freezes inside the freezer, which is much colder than the room. So, water freezes when you cool it. So, again, turn page number 20. Focus page number 20. Open from the top of the page. This activity you have to perform under observation of your parents. Ask an adult to boil some water and pour it in a mug. Hold a bowl full of ice or cold water a little above the mug, like this. This cup or this mug contains the hot water and this bowl contains the ice cubes. Drops of water will form outside the bowl. Soon they will join and start dripping down. Move to the next paragraph. When you heat water, it boils and changes into water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. The water vapor rising from the mug gets cooled when comes near the bowl of ice. When water vapor cools, it changes into water. This is how drops of water form outside the bowl of ice. Move to the next paragraph. So, water has three forms. The solid form is ice, the liquid form is water, and the gaseous form is water vapor. You have seen how one form of water changes another on heating or cooling. Here you will see ice. When you provide the heat to it or heat it, it is converted into water. Then this water is heat, it is converted into water vapors. When you cool it down, it converted again into water, and this water when you freezes, it converted into ice. So today this is all for today, and in next chapter we will move to the solid, liquid and gases. Bye everyone.